Hi, my name is Kacper, I am an engineer at MTS Technik, and in this video I'd like to tell you a thing or two about the Coilover suspension kit for Alfa Romeo Giulietta. The front axle kit consists of two threaded shock absorbers finished in a gold zinc plating featuring the hexacoil adjustment nut. Hexacoil, thanks to the use of this tiny clamping screw, significantly enhances the ease of height adjustment. Springs are manufactured by a German company eibach. Their linear characteristics ensures comfort and excellent driving characteristics. The rear axle kit consists of two sport shock absorbers with a shortened stroke, tailored for lower suspension. They have increased damping force compared to the original shock absorbers. Moreover, this suspension kit also includes dedicated bump stops and dust covers on both front and rear shock absorbers, and black anodized aluminum height adjusters for the rear axle. Besides the kit itself, in a box you will also find an adjustment wrench, two MTS Technik stickers, and any necessary documentation. Thanks for watching.